Are you a senior looking to embark on your next adventure? Whether it's a dream vacation or visiting loved ones, traveling as a senior can be both exciting and daunting. But fear not. Today we've got you covered with some essential travel tips to ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. Hello fellow travelers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're sharing some invaluable tips tailored specifically for seniors who are eager to explore the world. Let's dive right in. First things first, preparation is key. Start by creating a detailed checklist of everything you'll need for your trip. This includes essential documents like passports, travel insurance, and medical prescriptions. Packing light is crucial, especially for seniors. Focus on versatile clothing options and don't forget to pack any necessary medications and comfortable walking shoes. Next up, consider your transportation options. Whether you're flying, taking a train, or driving, plan your journey with comfort and convenience in mind. Book direct flights whenever possible to minimize travel time and reduce the hassle of layovers. If you're flying, be sure to request any special assistance you may need at the airport. Airlines offer various services for seniors, such as wheelchair assistance and priority boarding. Once you've arrived at your destination, take it slow and pace yourself. Don't feel pressured to cram too many activities into your itinerary. Instead, focus on savoring each moment and immersing yourself in the local culture. Exploring new places is undoubtedly exciting, but safety should always be a top priority. Be vigilant of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas, and keep your belongings secure at all times. Lastly, embrace the adventure and cherish the memories you create along the way. Traveling as a senior may come with its challenges, but it's also an opportunity for growth, exploration, and unforgettable experiences. That's a wrap on our essential travel tips for seniors. We hope you found these insights helpful for your next journey. Remember, age is just a number, so go out there and seize the day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!